so today we are going to be showing you our doll snack cart we made. And we got the idea from My Froggy Stuff. And as you can see, all our different types of doll foods fit in there, and erasers. And the little milkshakes are actually lipsticks. And some of it is just American Girl food from their concession stand. And on the top there's like little polka dots. And in the back there is little shelves with more food in there. It doesn't have wheels, but we still like it just the way it is. And all the little juice cartons, milk cartons, are little erasers. And all the ice cream cones are also erasers. And some of that is Journey Girl food, like popsicle. Over here, I have my Journey Girl doll. Our generation doll, Sadie. And she is wearing Lainey's outfit, so she does fit in American Girl clothes. And she is also wearing Sage's boots.
She's our first Our Generation doll that we bought.
Yeah.
We have over 30 American Girls, so we thought we would try the Our Generation doll.
And over here, Emily is modeling this little hair clip that we found at Hobby Lobby. We cut it shorter, and it fits perfectly.
They're the same things you can get in American Girl, but they're only $3 at Hobby Lobby.
And there's like a cotton candy color one and a rainbow one. And she's wearing Journey Girl clothes. Our Generation clothes for my doll, Sadie. And over here are some Our Generation doll shoes that were on sale at Target.
For $2.99.
And over here, Nikki is also modeling some Our Generation clothes. And so, yeah, that was just a review on the hair clips, the Our Generation doll, and our little concession stand, our doll food cart. Thanks for watching. Bye.